Welcome to Plan and Practice Hindi channel. Today we will see the continuation of Birbal ki Chaturayi Madhyama lesson 1. So Birbal Darbar nahi पहुंचे, he did not reach the court and the king has himself visited Birbal to his house. बीरबल रसोई घर में खाना पका रहा था. बीरबल was cooking in his kitchen. नीचे एक चूल्हा जल रहा था. There was a fireplace or brick stove and fire in that and बीरबल was cooking. 5 फुट सीके पर एक हांडी रखी. There was a pot or a vessel and he kept this vessel at 5 feet height from the fire sarcastically. उसने पानी और चावल थे. So in that pot or the vessel, Birbal has kept water and rice in that. बादशाह को देखते ही बीरबल बोला, हुजूर माफ कीजिए, देर हो गई. By seeing the king and Birbal said, please excuse me and forgive me, I could not visit the court. I got late. पर क्या हुआ, पर क्या करूं? But what I can do? यह चावल जल्दी नहीं पकता. The rice is not cooking fast. बादशाह ने नजदीक जाकर देखा. बादशाह अकबर, that is the king Akbar, went near the place and he started looking at it. तो उन्होंने खूब हंसी तो उन्हें खूब हंसी आई. The king started laughing. He had more laughter and he was laughing at the way बीरबल was cooking. उन्होंने कहा, बीरबल तुम कब से इतने बेवकूफ बने? King started asking Birbal. King Akbar said to Birbal, when did you become such a fool? तूने चूल्हे का ताप 5 फुट दूर की हांडी को कैसे गर्म करेगा और चावल कैसे पकेगा? So the king asked him the fireplace and the vessel. The fireplace was there and from that 5 feet high the vessel was there. So how could the temperature or the warmness of the fire or the heat of the fire can cook the rice which was 5 feet height from the gas stove? If a vessel is 5 feet height from the gas stove, how could it get cooked? So this way King Akbar asked Birbal. चूल्हे का ताप 5 फुट दूर की हांडी को कैसे गर्म करेगा और चावल कैसे पकेगा? How will the rice get cooked? When did you become such a fool? You don't know how to cook. You have kept the stove down with the fire and you kept the vessel 5 feet in the height. How the rice and water will join and become cooked? How can the rice get cooked? बीरबल मुस्कुराते हुए बोला. बीरबल also started smiling. जहांपना, हे किंग, हे मैजेस्टी, आपने बगीचे का दीप 10 फुट की दूरी तक अपनी गर्मी से सर्दी को दूर कर सकता है. That is, your garden lamp can heat the person who was standing 10 feet away from it. And पर मेरे घर का चूल्हा 5 फुट तक अपना ताप बढ़ाकर चावल नहीं पका सकेगा. When your light in the garden can give the warmth for a person who was 10 feet away, in my house I am having the fire and the vessel is only 5 feet high. Can it not cook the rice? He said it very sarcastically, and he started smiling when he was saying this to the king Akbar. अकबर को बात समझने में देर नहीं लगी कि बीरबल ने क्यों यह नाटक रचा है. So Akbar can understand, and he understood also. Akbar, the king Akbar, can understand why the Birbal has set up such a drama in front of him. Why did he play such a drama of making a rice in his kitchen? उन्होंने तुरंत देहाती को 5,000 रुपये इनाम में देने का हुक्म दिया और बीरबल की खूब तारीफ की. King realized his mistake. He has given a wrong ration to villager or the woodcutter. How could the lamp give warmth to the person who was standing 10 feet away from that in the lake? So his decision was wrong. The king realized that, and soon he ordered the persons to give the reward to the woodcutter, the villager. He ordered his courtiers to give the reward to the villager. Also, he praised Birbal for his cleverness very much, and he started praising him, and he praised Birbal for his intelligence. Birbal was also very happy. Hope you all understood the story. Now we will go to the exercise part. अभ्यास. हिंदी में अर्थ लिखिए. पसंद करना, चाहना, स्वीकार करना, मानना. पसंद करना means liking, so meaning is चाहना. इनाम देना, to give reward. पुरस्कार देना. आदर करना, respect, to give respect. मर्यादा देना. फोर्थ वन, स्वीकार करना, एक्सेप्ट, मानना. ताजुब होना, विचित्र होना, आश्चर्य होना, टू गेट सरप्राइज्ड. It was very peculiar and we get astonished. We get overwhelmed or surprised by the situation. That is ताजुब होना, विचित्र होना, आश्चर्य होना is getting surprised. Second question, विलोम शब्द लिखिए. Write opposites. First one, आदर. आदर means respect, another means disrespect. आदर, another. Second one, विश्वास, trust. अविश्वास, not trusting the person. विश्वास, trust. अविश्वास, not believing or not trusting. Third question, स्वीकार, accept. अस्वीकार, reject. स्वीकार, अस्वीकार. स्वीकार, अस्वीकार. Fourth one, मंजूर, ना मंजूर. approve, not accept. ना मंजूर means not accept. मंजूर, ना मंजूर. संभव, असंभव. possible, impossible. possible, impossible. संभव, असंभव. संभव, असंभव. That is the fifth question. Next one, third part of the exercise, जोड़े बनाइए. Match the following questions and the matching one answers are given. We have to match now. First one, बीरबल बादशाह के साथ जाया करता था. बीरबल used to go with the king. बीरबल बादशाह के साथ जाया करता था. जाया करता था is the answer. लकड़हारा का शरीर हट्टा कट्टा था. The woodcutter was well built. He was robust. लकड़हारा का शरीर हट्टा कट्टा था. दो नौकर देहाती की रखवाली करते थे. Two servants were guarding the villager. दो नौकर देहाती की रखवाली करते थे. फोर्थ वन, बीरबल रसोई घर में खाना पका रहा था. बीरबल was cooking in the kitchen. रसोई घर is kitchen. बीरबल रसोई घर में खाना पका रहा था. फिफ्थ वन, बादशाह ने बीरबल की खूब तारीफ की. King praised बीरबल very much. बादशाह ने किंग अकबर praised बीरबल very much. बादशाह ने बीरबल की खूब तारीफ की. बीरबल की खूब तारीफ की is the correct answer for the fifth one. Next, fourth part of the exercise. निम्नलिखित शब्दों का वाक्यों में प्रयोग कीजिए. They have given a word, we have to use them in a sentence. होशियारी, cleverness, intelligent. मोहन हर काम होशियारी से करता था. मोहन used to do every work, each work with smart and clever thinking, or he used to work with smartness. Mohan used to work with smartness. Mohan used to do each work with intelligence. मोहन हर काम होशियारी से करता था. सेकेंड वन, नियुक्त करना. बादशाह ने देहाती की रखवाली के लिए दो नौकरों को नियुक्त किया. नियुक्त मीन्स अपॉइंट. अपॉइंट, द किंग अपॉइंटेड टू सर्वेंट्स टू गार्ड द विलेजर. बादशाह ने देहाती की रखवाली के लिए दो नौकरों को नियुक्त किया. थर्ड वन, हुक्म देना. टू गिव ऑर्डर. बादशाह ने बीरबल को हुक्म दिया. किंग गेव ऑर्डर टू बीरबल. फोर्थ वन, संयोगवश. कोइंसिडेंटली, फॉर्चुनेटली. विमला ने संयोगवश कमला को देखा. विमला सॉ कमला कोइंसिडेंटली और फॉर्चुनेटली. विमला ने संयोगवश कमला को देखा. So we will finish this exercise and we will continue the exercise in the next part. Thank you.